Hey guys, Technomentary with a really exciting video for you guys today. So I bought this iPhone X from Amazon. So this is an Amazon renewed product for a really good deal. So right now, I think they were going for around 400 and something dollars with taxes. I think this one came out to be around 450 or 460. So if you guys are looking to buy an iPhone X at a really good deal, check out the link in the description that I have included. As you can see, this one came in this FedEx shipping label box, which took, I believe, 2 days, which is really good because I don't have Prime, but it was still a really fast shipping. So this one is backed by a 90-day Amazon renewed guarantee, which means, if I have to replace or ask for a refund, I can do it within 90 days of the purchase. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys, unbox it to show you guys the quality of the phone here that I have. Before we get started, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech reviews, news, and giveaways, so hit that subscribe button. Also, we're going to be holding a contest to give away one of the iPhone. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and then also share this video on your social media such as Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media app that you use, such as Instagram or anything that you have. So let's go ahead and open this box up here. So I'm really excited to see the condition of the phone because I hear a lot of people buying these at a really good deal because this is almost half the price of what you pay for a new iPhone X, which is like $10.99. So let's go ahead and open this box up right now. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this up. All right, so let's. Yeah, so here you go. So I opened up the FedEx. Oh wow, look at this. They put it in a USPS priority box, so that's weird. But hey, let's go ahead and open this up now as well. Yeah, they shipped it in FedEx, but then put it in the priority mail. So here, as you can see, it's in a white generic box here, not the original box, because these are used and pre-owned actually, and they're known as Amazon renewed. So just a little about Amazon renewed, if you guys aren't familiar with it. The Amazon renewed are pretty much product that is professionally inspected and tested by Amazon qualified suppliers, and the suppliers perform full diagnostic tests to thoroughly check the device is actually fully functional, so there's no issues with this. So as you saw right now, first thing I had opened in the box and saw are these two generic chargers. Of course, these aren't the original Apple charger, but I think they look like they'll be good. So, and then in the box is the actual phone. So right, as you can see, this is the space gray edition of the iPhone X right here. Let's take a look at the back. As you see, the back looks good here. I'm gonna try to cover wow, the back looks, in almost excellent condition here. No damage or anything like that. Let's look at the bottom. The bottom looks clean as well, not really noticeable with anything. Let's look at the side as well. The side looks in really good condition as well. And then the top part, there's a little bit of like nick right here up top, but I think that's perfectly fine here as well. So hopefully this video has good. Let me see. Yeah, so the top part just slight little thing. This is pre-owned, so you can expect that. And then this side looks fine as well. Now let's look at the front screen. The front screen looks good as well. No scratches or anything of that or blemishes. Let's go ahead and power this device on. So I'm powering it on. As you see right now, the Apple logo did appear, so I'm gonna move this box aside. So these are the two chargers that came right here if you're looking at it. So I believe they will have to go ahead and set it up if it's factory reset. So all of these phones, whenever you buy it, they are already factory reset, so all the data was wiped out or previous data from the existing users are gone, so you don't have to worry about doing that for you. So they do it for you. As you see right now, I am at the main screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, select my country, which is United States, and then hit set up manually, and then we're gonna connect to one of the Wi-Fi's here. So let me connect to a Wi-Fi around here. Okay, so I put in this Wi-Fi here, password, so that it can actually go out, talk to the Apple server, and connect. So give it a 10-15 seconds to do this. This is probably the longest part whenever you're setting it up, and after that we should be able to set everything up. So these phones, you guys don't have to worry about functionality, although they're used, because they are guaranteeing us there's no issues with it. So they run a lot of tests, such as like testing out the GPS, Bluetooth, all the buttons, anything you name it. Face ID works as well. We're going to test all of that for you guys today. So we're going to hit continue here. Face ID. So if I wanted to activate Face ID, as you see right now, because of this is a review video, I'm not going to be doing that. But as you see, Face ID works here. I would have to click on get started, but I'm going to cancel that and then set it up later in the setting, just so that this video is quicker to show you guys that I can get to the home screen, and these iPhones aren't Apple iCloud lock or any issues with them. Also, note, these phones are clean. IME is clean, meaning they're paid off, and there's nothing wrong with it at all. So you can activate your carrier. So this one is unlocked one, which means I can put any SIM card in. But if you buy one that's specific for your carriers, you'll just have to use on that carrier and its sub carriers. So passcode here, I'm gonna just skip that for now, but you can of course set this up later. So let's go ahead and do that. Apps and data. So if you're looking to set this up for the first time, you can use any of these methods to back up your data and then restore it here. We're not going to do any of that, but you can certainly do that on your time. Apple ID, right? If you don't have one, you can create a free one if you're setting it for the first time, or put your existing one in. I'm just not going to put any of them in. That's fine as well. App here, it's asking me, like I said, if you forgot your password, you can reset it or you can create a new one. So I'm going to hit set up later in the setting and not use it for now. All of this makes it easier if you're looking to set it up for the first time, because all of the key essential services like iMessage and FaceTime and everything will be working for you if you set it up. But for our video purposes, we're going to just go through all of this so that you guys can see that the phone is legit. And these phones are genuine phones. They're not fake phones as well. So don't worry about it being fake. I know a lot of times when you buy it online, people worry that it's fake. I guarantee you, I bought a lot of phones from Amazon and they're not fake. As you see right now, we got to the home screen without any issues here whatsoever. And it's working the way it should be. So we're going to test some of the buttons here just to show you guys that these are fully functional. So right now I'm doing the volume up and then the volume down, and then the silent button, and then of course the power button, which works fine. And then we can do the light one. As you saw, the light is here, flashlight is working. Gonna do that and then test the camera out. So the camera, back camera, as you saw, works, no issue there. Front camera, we're gonna test that, works as well, no issue there. And then this one of course has iPhone 10 has the portrait mode. So there you go, that works perfectly fine. And then we just unlocked it. The next thing we're gonna go ahead and check out is actually the battery here, the battery health. As you saw, this one has an 84% battery health, which is good for this phone because it's been out for almost 3 years, I believe, which Apple recommends replacing the battery when it's below like 75, somewhere around there. But this is a pretty good phone because of the price you're getting, and you don't have to worry about that. I've seen phones where they have 90 plus when you buy it used. Of course, because it's a used phone, it's gonna have less than 100%. Sometimes you do get those ones with 100%, which is here and there, some rare occasion. So there you guys have it for the iPhone X. If you guys are looking to buy it, check out the link in the description that I included for you guys. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.